Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update your iPhone to iOS 18 and install Nugget now. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID and accept notifications. This keeps alerts timely. Make sure to grant microphone and photos access so Nugget can capture and store clips. Also enable background app refresh. This lets Nugget stay responsive without manual relaunch. These first steps unlock core features. Without them, recording and sharing will be limited, so complete them before moving on. Now you dive into detailed configuration. Open Nugget settings and calibrate audio levels so recordings aren't distorted. Next, choose camera orientation and resolution. Higher resolution equals larger files, so balance quality and storage. Enable HDR for richer color when needed. Then decide where clips save, iCloud for sync across devices, or on-device to conserve cloud usage. Finally, turn on auto export if you want finished clips to push to photos automatically. This streamlines sharing and backup. Finish by running a short test recording and export a 10 to 15 second clip so you can verify audio/video sync and file integrity. Once satisfied, check Nugget sync status to confirm iCloud uploads succeeded. If an upload failed, retry manually. If recordings stutter or permissions appear blocked, force quit Nugget and reboot your iPhone, then update the app to the latest build. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio drops, re-grant microphone permission in settings and recalibrate input levels. This fixes most capture problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.